sometimes you have data that you need to make look more like data. For example, you notice here you have the months January through December going down the rows, but Alabama is only for January. And if you're trying to use this as real data, you want Alabama to fill down, so to make all the cells look like real data. The same goes for Alaska. And of course, this is just made up data for this example, but you could use it for whatever you need. So the first thing you need to do is highlight the range that contains the blanks. You can highlight more than the blanks. For example, I'm going to start in my first blank cell. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and then do Control End. Control End. And that's going to basically select all this data. You notice this white cell here is because my active cell is still A3. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to select just the blank cells, but the first step was to at least get all the data that contains the blank cells. So once this is done, we're going to use the F5 key, which is Go To. I hit F5 and it's Go To, and I'm going to do Go To Special. So I'm going to hit Alt S, or you can click here. So Alt S pulls up another window, and I want to select the blanks in that range. I'm going to hit Alt K, or you just click that thing. So once you do Alt K or select blanks and hit OK, you notice now that just the blank cells in that range were selected. Everything else has been unselected. So basically what we need to do is we're going to fill down from above. So I'm going to put a formula. I'm going to hit the equal sign, and the value I need here needs to come from above. So I hit the up arrow. So basically I hit the equals key and then I press the up arrow. Okay. Now if I was just to press the enter key right now, that wouldn't work. What you need to do is once you do that, you're just going to hold down the control key and then press the enter key. So what I did again was when I had that equals A2, I held the control key and I pressed the enter key. And it put in a formula. So you'll see here, it says A2, A3, A4. So basically it's going up. However, it knew not to change that one. So basically you now have what you needed. Of course, it's best practice to convert all of these to values, because if you want to move the data around, obviously if you have a formula pointing up, it's going to be wrong if you somehow change the data sort. So basically, however you want to do, I'm going to do a copy, paste special values, however you normally do that. So basically you're going to copy the range and do a paste special values. Note that before you do that, you have to unselect. Remember when I finished filling it down, the range was selected. You have to unselect it because it is just a weird selection. So remember, before you do your paste special values, basically unselect it, then reselect it and do your copy paste values. Hopefully this will help you.